Welcome to virtual class of Physical Education class 11, lesson 6, Physical Activity and Leadership Training. Today topic is common injuries of adventure sports. Rock climbing. Injuries of rock climbing may occur due to falls or due to overrush of the particular body parts. Injured due to falls are relatively uncommon. The visit major try to of injuries result from overrashes most often occurring in the fingers, elbow and shoulders. Such injuries are often no worse than torn calluses, cuts, bruises and bruises. Tracking. Skin lacerations are one of the most common minor injuries among people trekking through various wilderness environments. Eyes irritation can occur as resolute and numerous different factors that are common in wilderness expeditions. Dry climates results in dry ice. Dusty area can result in small particles irritating your eyes directly, and heavy rains can stain on pleasures your eyes into discomfort. Discomfort and other very popular injuries when trekking through wilderness is a twisted ankle, and unfortunately this is one that the difficult of overcome so on the go. Lastly, one of the most common issues with any extensive outdoor exercise, dehydration is not an injury so much as a gradually developing conditions. Dry or sticky mouth coupled with fatigue, headaches, or of course instant thirsty can be sign that your body is not properly hydrated. Next, river rafting. The common injuries which occur during river rafting comprise of musculoskeletal injury like sprain, strain, dislocation, fractures, or etc. Flowing by in injuries of soft tissue like laceration, abrasion, contusion, etc. Almost one half of injury rise were to the head, neck, and shoulders, following by the lower extremities like foot, ankle, leg, knee, hip, and upper extremities like hand, wrist, arms, etc. Mountaineering. Mountaineering is more dangerous than rock climbing or trekking, and the risk increase with the presence of snow, ice, health elements, and common injuries during mountaineering, including trauma, musculoskeletal, and soft tissue injuries, according to the statistics. 40% injury occurs in the fingers, 60% in the shoulder, 12% and elbow, 5% in the ankles, 5% in the back. Next, surfing. Surfing most often situations injuries to their legs and heads and face, the back and the shoulders and arms. The main cause of injury is the contact with the surface or on boards or someone else's boards. Common injuries from suffering including laceration like cuts and scrapes, sprain, dislocation, and fractures. Swimmers are era and surface era. Paragliding. The most common paragliding injuries are sprained, fractured, or broken legs and ankles. This is because the legs are unprotected and will contact the ground hard if a landing or low altitude maneuver goes wrong. A clumsy landing can also result to bumps, bruises, and cuts to many other different areas of the body. Thank you.